Ang pakay lang natin ay mawala yung labis na kaibahan ng provincial at saka NCR rate. I think the ultimate goal for all of us is to at least meet a decent minimum wage and transit one day, not too far into the future, certainly not 30 years from now, to transit from mere minimum wages to a genuine, dignified, and fair living wage, just as our Constitution mandates. As we've seen in the past, a legislated wage hike, if not vetoed, is deferred until kingdom come. This is the reason that I do not want to be the party pooper. Ayoko maging killjoy. Pero ang totoo, hindi pinipirmahan eh. Nakita na ninyo, nakailang beses na to eh. Hindi nakakalusot eh. Kailangan i-explore natin lahat ng posibilidad. Palta ng batas o hayaang ganyan ang batas pero paltan ang pag-iimplementa, hanapan ng iba pang puwang, hanapan pa ng tulong sa employer tulad ng employee. Lahat yan kailangan tignan natin kasi wala namang iisang IME solusyon.